Hi viewers, welcome back again in another video. Guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Yes guys, today I have come with a very interesting topic. Yes, on my last video before this, I promised you guys that I will be teaching you how you can make money attraction soup by yourself using eagle feathers and then Echok feathers. So here I am about to tell you how you can actually prepare a very effective money attraction soup by yourself. You don't have to visit any herbal spiritual shop just to get a money attraction soup or just to enhance your business. So you can actually do this at the comfort of your home. All you have to do is please, if you're watching me, get your jotter, your pen, and begin to jot every ingredient that I will be listing out in this particular video. I will be slow, okay? So I talk fast, so I will be slow for you to get what I am mentioning, okay? So if you want to know, then let's go into the video. Number one ingredient in our list is what? Ghana white soap. You need Ghana white soap, okay? It's round, very tiny, round, whitish in color. You need Ghana white soap. Now you need Echok. The reason why we are adding Echok in every upper spiritual soap is because we don't want witches to destroy that soap, especially if the soap is being prepared for someone who is battling with witches around him or her. Then you must need to add Echok in his or her soap. So you need Echok in order not to allow witches to spoil your money attraction soup, okay? So Echok is an anti-witchcraft stick that if you are making any spiritual soap, you must include it on that soap. If not, you are wasting your time. So you need Echok and you need thunder leaf. I have made several videos on this particular thunder leaf. I have made a video on this channel. I have showed you guys this thunder leaf, how it looks like. Even if you don't know, just go to spiritual shop, call thunder leaf. They will understand and they will give it to you guys, okay? Thunder leaf, you need thunder leaf. That is the English name. Don't ask me Yoruba name because I am not Yoruba, and don't ask me Igbo name because one name like that. So you need thunder leaf. Okay, you need thunder leaf. You need alligator pepper, 1 bun, okay? Then you need eagle feathers, 7, like I told you on that video before this one, 7. You need Echok feathers, 7. You need cowries, 7. Then you need honey, original honey, at least 1 cup, original honey, 1 cup. Then you need coconut water. Do not use ordinary water, please. If you are making any spiritual soup, use coconut water or honey. Do not use normal water. Do not use ordinary water. Don't use any other water. But you can use this particular water, popularly known as miracle water. This I've made a video about that miracle water. This what is it called? Mirojo. Yes, I've made a video concerning it. So it's either you use honey, you use coconut water on that particular miracle water. Okay, that water is precious. So you need it. You need coconut water, you need honey. I don't want to divert my attention. Then you need miracle leaf. You need miracle leaves. You need what is it called again? You need the Bintu Sudan as your fragrance, as your perfume. Remember, we are making money attraction perfume. Soap. We don't want anything that will be a kind of hindrance to our soap. So we want our soap to be totally spiritual. We want our soap to be totally spiritual, okay? You need Bintu Sudan. Don't use ordinary fragrance, please. This is a spiritual soap and money attraction soap at that matter, okay? So all you have to do is pound your Echok very well. If you are living around with children, please be careful with your Echok because the moment it enters your mouth mistakenly, it can kill. Yes, it kills instantly, please. So if you are living around children, please be careful. Pound it very carefully and then gather the pieces on the ground and then dispose it properly, okay? Now pound it into a powdering form, then add your alligator pepper, pound it 1 pound. Remember, you're going to be opening it from your back, then pound it together. Add your ego feathers, the 7, pound it very well. Add your Echok feathers, pound it very well, and then go ahead and add your leaves, which is thunder leaf. Pound it very well, fresh thunder leaf. If you cannot get fresh, you can get dry. Pound it very well. Then add your miracle leaf, pound it very well. Now go ahead and add your Ghana white soap. Mix everything together, and when you are okay with the mixture, if the mixture is well blended, is well pounded, now you can now go ahead and add your coconut water. If you're adding coconut water, be adding it small. You don't want to end up with a soap paste. Yes, just be adding it small, and then go ahead and add your honey. And finally add your bento Sudan perfume. Okay, add it very well, and you will like the outcome of this particular soap. You will love the outcome. So after that, transfer it in a white jar, in a white container. Be using it morning and night. Okay, you can use native sponge, you can use a new sponge. Yes, a new sponge. You can use, it's either you use native sponge or a new sponge. If you're using if you have a sponge that you're using, but for the fact that you are making this and you want to use it for morning attraction, use new sponge or your native sponge. Okay, so that's just it. And then your morning attraction soap is ready. This will bring money. It will attract money. If you're into business, it will attract customer. If you're into online business, people will be ordering things from you. If you are expecting to receive any kind of breakthrough from anybody, go ahead and use this soap, and I tell you, you will come back with your testimony. So guys, that is just it. So before I go on, I would like to run my market. This particular bracelet, which is crystal bead, I still have it. It's in stock. Then I have blue eyes. Okay, you can get that for protection. I have blue eyes. I have children's soap, children glowing black soap. I can remove tar, diaper rashes, ringworm, skin infection. It will even make your children's skin to glow like Kilo Day. Then other product I have, back to sender, protection, attraction powder, just name it. There are so many, so you can just order from me. Then if you want this ingredient from me, this ingredient I just listed in this particular soap making, if you don't know where you can get it, I sell all of these ingredients. Okay, you can order it from me. They are not that expensive. You can order it, and then we'll ship it down to you. So if you need to order all of this material, my number is 090-59825779. Only active WhatsApp and Telegram. See you guys on my next video. Please, if you like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up after watching. Oh god, after watching. And if you like this video, please go ahead and share it to your friends, your beloved ones. Who knows, they might find it very interesting. So guys, that is the end of the video for today. See you guys on my next episode. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.